Hello and welcome to Got Stocks. Today is Friday, February 28th, 2025. The market is under a lot of pressure. These are buying opportunities. Let's take a look at the charts. We're going to look at QQQ. This is the ETF that mirrors the NASDAQ 100. It's the QQQ, and we are currently looking at a 20-year chart. This is our 2008 bear market. We've been in a bull market for several years. This is our 2022 bear market, and we've been in a bullish phase. This is a 5-year weekly chart. Each candle represents 1 week. This is our bear market of 2022, and then we've been off to the races. But as you can see, pullback, 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 and we are currently in a pullback. So now what we need to do is we're going to get even more granular. We are currently looking at a 1-year daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day. It's a good idea to get your head wrapped around some candlestick charting with using the volume analysis, and I'm going to show you why here. The 52-week low is 413.07 for the QQQ, and the 52-week high is 540.81. Now, where is the market going? And the market is getting smoked. And typically, if you look at this whole range here, all these buyers through this range here are currently upside down. Going forward, there might be a little bit of resistance, but these are buying opportunities. This is going to give us areas of support and resistance. This acted as resistance, and the market sold off, came into this area, broke through it, broke back down, through it again, but look, it touches it here, and it gave us a level of support right here. And here we broke through it yesterday, closed below it. So where is the market going? It does not look like this level of support wants to hold. Although it can, the market can turn around at any moment. There's no guarantees. What technical analysis does, it gives you a better percentage of possibilities. Your percentage ratio is going to get better. The more technical analysis that you implement in your charting, in your analysis, is going to give you a better result. And the key to success in this industry is to manage your risk. The market pushed through this key support area, and it broke through and it closed below it. That is concerning. Now, this is what I want you to look at. At the bottom here, the volume has picked up tremendously compared to the average volume for the past year has been in this range, and then now the volume is picking up to the downside. Where is the market going? What you want to pay attention to are gaps in the market. So we have a gap here that was never filled. This looks like where the market eventually will make its way there, and it will fill this gap. Another key area to look for is back here. There's a gap that was never filled. This gap will eventually get filled. Who knows when? It could be a week, a month, a year. It could be the next flash crash, COVID crash, whatever kind of crash, because we're going to have another crash. That's inevitable. It happens all the time. But in the long run, these are buying opportunities because the way the market's designed, it's a very efficient market, and we're a global economy now. Right now, you want to wait for your setup. Look for your individual stocks. Look at the Magnificent Seven. Look at Nvidia, Google, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft. And they will show you similar charting patterns as these, but these are buying opportunities. If you are an investor for the long haul, these are buying opportunities. If you're a trader, well, these are also buying opportunities. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for tuning in. Be careful. The market is very risky. You want to manage your risk. The key to success in this industry is to manage your risk. Right now, it's better to just stay on the sidelines, let the dust settle, and let the chart tell you when to get in. This has nothing to do with fundamentals. This has to do with the news, the tariffs. There's going to be all kind of catalysts. If you listen to the news, you're going to hear a lot of noise. You definitely want to look at the fundamentals of companies. The fundamentals of the corporation is going to give you the reason why to invest in that corporation. The technical analysis is going to give you when to get into the stock. And that's where you're going to look at moving averages. You're going to look at gaps. You're going to look at support and resistance areas. Thank you for tuning in. God bless and happy investing.